This is my first time at the Pizza Expo. It's 2018. It's hard to believe that I'm here. We were the first people here, so it opens at 10 a.m. and we got here a little early, so we were part of the flood that came in. So that was kind of a cool experience to be with everyone coming in, and the energy was wild. All the vendors were happy to see you and just really eager to show you what they got. So it was really fun to kind of feed off their energy.
Yes, this is my first time at the International Pizza Expo. Stoked to be here. We've just barely scratched the surface on what the event has to show and offer. Thank God it is more than just a weekend event, because you need that time to really take in everything that you're wanting to see. We've gotten a lot of new ideas just for our shop, things we haven't even thought of before. So if you've ever been to a food show or anything like that, it is that on a million steroids. Almost overstimulating. There are classes, there are demonstrations, there's just a variety of things to do and take in. I highly recommend it to anybody. I'm Ashley Harvey from the Pizza Casbah from Fort Collins, Colorado, and you gotta come to the International Pizza Expo.
I think it's a great expo for people to come on both ends, for the people involved in pizza and the people that want to be involved in pizza. There's enough activity, there's definitely enough action. The lineup is good, there's enough width, which is the key. You get everybody through, whereas some of the other expos and conventions I've been to, you're so narrow that you're like, I don't even want to go down that aisle. You can't find it here if it's for pizza, and you're not going to find it anywhere.
This is the world gathering of who is pizza, or what is pizza, or the best in pizza. That's it. That's the best in pizza is right here. If you miss it, you're not playing the game. You're not. Everything you can think of is here. It's ridiculous. Go to the website. That's what I would do, because they have a list of everything that you can do. You got to make this plan for next year, because it is flat amazing. I'm not going to miss it again. I'm Kurt McDonald from Fairbanks, Alaska. If I can come all the way down here, so can you. You got to come to the Pizza Expo 2019 next year. Come make it. See you here.